a wild weather day. Tornado warnings, hail, and damaging winds today.
And that is all before Old Man Winter blows in here. Let's get straight to Aaron Brackett in the Forewarned Storm Center. Aaron.
Guys, such a dynamic storm system that we're in the midst of right now. That cold front is moving through the state. And yes, we are talking about several inches of snow. Still some thunderstorms out there right now. Let's get to all of this and break it down. Tornado watches being pulled back county by county right now. That's a good thing as that cold front comes through. I gotta tell you, we've had over a dozen tornado warnings, most of them in eastern Oklahoma. They started this morning, they've been ongoing, they continue, and we still do have a severe weather threat for some of our viewing area. Also at the same time, a winter weather advisory out for basically 2/3 of the state of Oklahoma, Oklahoma City Metro, all the way out to the western extent, the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles included in that as well. So that's our next threat right here. Already, some folks are below freezing. We're talking about northwestern Oklahoma. At the same time, we have 70s in parts of the state. What an incredibly strong front this is. Let's look at radar here. We have thunderstorms popping up near the Oklahoma City Metro. The front has made it through Oklahoma City. That puts an end to the severe weather threat for immediate OKC. It's just off the east, though, that we still do have some powerful thunderstorms happening right now. In fact, one over Shawnee. This is a heavy thunderstorm. Back to max we go. This is southern Oklahoma now. Jeremy Carter is down near the Ardmore area where a storm in Love County has been coming up, and it has had rotation with it. Tornado warnings just on the other side of the Red River. So we're also watching southern Oklahoma for that threat of hail and possibly a brief tornado. Watch as this all moves on. The next couple hours, it's out of here. Our threat then turns to snow. Watch as the snow fills in. This is early tomorrow morning. It'll be in for a couple hours. Light to moderate snow bands here, and of course blowing snow. That's going to be a major factor in this. So even though we're just going to get a couple inches, it'll be blowing, it'll be drifting, and with temperatures cold, winds high, this is what our wind chill situation is going to look like starting out our Saturday morning. How much snow you're going to get, we'll check in with more of our trackers. That's coming up in just a couple minutes. Snow. Let's get off the severe weather because that is moving away. We're still watching it. Again, east of Oklahoma City. Watch as all this conglomerates and kind of conforms into a big, massive thunderstorms. We get a little lull tonight. We get a break around 9 or 10 o'clock, and then the snow starts after midnight. You can see it right here in central Oklahoma. Bands of moderate to at times heavy snow, and I'll tell you, the winds are going to be ripping, so we're going to be talking about blowing snow as well. 10 p.m. tonight, here we go, 33 in Oklahoma City, in the 20s in northwestern Oklahoma, snow in western parts of the state. This is our low temperature tonight, 22. That snow will begin with northerly winds pretty much all night long. Teens off to the north, wind chills, they'll be in the single digits, so definitely a raw night. Wind chill is going to be a problem. And as far as snowfall totals, this is the absolute latest. All right, 2 to 5 inches, Enid, Stillwater, down to the northern parts of Oklahoma City, 1 to 4 up toward Clinton, Elk City, farther south of Oklahoma City, about 1 to 4 inches of snow. We do have a warm-up. We'll talk about that here coming up after the break.